Number 1, space divided by 9 equal 15 and remainder 3. We want to find here the dividend. The dividend equal quotient times the divisor multiplication by the remainder. Then the dividend will be equal 9 times 15 plus 3. 5 times 9 equal 45, write 5 and carry a 4. 1 times 9 equal 9 plus 4 equals 13. The result will be 138. We call it the dividend. The result will be 138. Letter P, space is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Look at questions, we have 11. Okay, 11 shows the correct answer. The result will be 11. Okay, and we know prime, the smallest prime number equal to, but in this example, he give us 55, 11, 22, 33. You must choose 11, okay? Question number 2, choose 11. Question letter C. The coefficient in the algebraic expression 3 over 8 multiplication by A, okay? 3 over A. We have the term here, so the result will be 3 over what? 3 over 8. 3 over 8, we call this the coefficient of this term. Then the coefficient will be 3 over 8. Write 3 over 8. Letter D, the algebraic term 5AP. Form it, we have here 3 factors. 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. Letter E, 1 power 5 equal 1. Letter F, if the range of a set of values is 11 and the smallest value is 7, then the largest value, we can find the largest value by add range to the smallest number. The largest number will be equal range plus smallest number. The range here was 11 and the smallest 7. The sum of them, it will be 18. Question number 10, the mean of the values using opposite dot product. We have here 2 and 3 repeating twice and 5 repeating twice and 6 repeating twice and 7 repeating 3 times and 8 repeating 3 times and 9 repeating 1. To find the mean of all values, you must change the point that in the middle, okay, in the middle, or the balance point here. Cancel number by number, this number by this number, this by this, this by this, and this by this, and we have 7 and 6. 7 and 6 here lies in the middle. Then about this question, what? It was question letter G, okay? Letter G, okay? Letter G. It was letter F, the largest number. It was letter F, okay? Again, it was letter F. Okay, my students, you see the question, okay? Letter F, 18. Now we will solve letter what? G, the mean of the values. Count with me again. We have 2 and 3 repeating twice, 5 twice, 6 twice, 7 3 times, 8 3 times, and 9 1. And then we want to find the mean here. Cancel number by number, and this number by this number, 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 this number by this number. Then we have 6 and 7 in the middle. Understood? To find the mean, you must arrange. Okay, we will write it again from left hand side. 2 once, 3 repeating times twice, and 5 twice, and 6 repeating 2. Okay, We have 2 point up 6, it refers to 6 repeating twice. 7 and 7 and 7 and 8 and 8 and 8 and last one 9. Okay, pay attention with me here. Cancel 9 by 2, 8 by 3, 8 by 3, 8 by 5, 7 by 5, 7 by 6, 7 and 6 divided by 2, it will be 13 divided by 2, it will be 6.5. Okay, second question. Again 6.5, it's the median. Okay, but we want to find the mean here, it will be equal 6. Okay, in this example you want to find the mean of the values. We have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then the mean will be 6. But the median, if you want to find the median of all numbers, you must arrange ascendingly and write 6 plus 7 divided by 2. So the result here will be 6, okay? Don't write 6.5. 6.5 is the median, and you want to find here the mean. The mean will be 6. Second question. Letter A. He used here distributive properties. Space times 4 plus 6 equal 9 times space plus 9 times space. 4 times 9, write 4 here, and 9 times 6. Again, using here distributive properties. Okay, 9 times 4 plus 9 multiplication by 6. Question letter B. -5, -4, -3, -2. We can write here -1, 0, 1. Question letter C. The algebraic expression that express z adding z to 36, it will be 36 plus z. Letter D. The value of the algebraic expression for multiplication by y power 3 7 at y equal 3. In the value will be what? 4 multiplication by 3 power 3 subtract by 7 will be 4 times 3 power 3, it will be 27 minus 7. 4 times 20, the result will be equal 80. Letter E. K equal 15, then K divided by 5, K divided by space equal 5. Okay, he give us in the example K equal 15, K here equal 15, then K divided by space equal 5, K divided by 3, write 3 in the space, okay, because K equal 15, then 15 divided by 3 equal 5. Letter F. In the equation A equal 3b, the dependent variable here, it will be A. A, we called it dependent, and independent, it will be B. Letter G. If the mean of the values is 6, then the value of x equal space. We know the mean equals sum of all values divided the number of values. He give us the mean is 6, and we have 3 and 4 and 9 and x and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 6, 11 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 6 equals 30. Then x will be equal 6. Again, 5 times 6 equals 30. We used here the product of extremes equals the product of means. And sum of all numbers here it will be 24. 24 plus x equals 30. Then x will be equal 6. Okay, it was question letter G. Letter H. The outliers in set of values 5, 18, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 18 is the difference. It will be 18. Third, the opposite of negative 12, additive inverse, it will be 12. Letter B, 25 greater than negative 12. Letter C, if B equals 6, then B plus space equal 14. B plus space equal 14. We know in the example B equals 6, then 6 plus 8 equal 14. Write 8 in the space. Okay, question letter D. The inequality that represent all values less than or equal to negative 7, x less than or equal to negative 7. Letter E, if the amount of food consumed by the car depends on distance traveled, then the independent it will be distance traveled, because distance traveled it's the verbal here in this example. Okay, depend on, it's meaning what? Depend on or depends on, it refers to what? Refers to dependent or independent, right? Independent verbal here, it will be distance travel. Okay, right, distance travel. Again, this question, again, if the amount of fuel consumed by car depends on distance traveled, then the independent verbal will be what? Distance traveled. Question letter F. In the dot plots space here, dot plots, each information is represented by a point. Okay, each information represented by the point. Choose the fourth solution. Question letter G. All the following are measure of center tendency except the range. Okay, we have mean and mode and median. All the following are measure of the central tendency. Fourth, answer the following. A school with 795 boys and 521 girls wants to divide the boys and girls equally into 28 classes in the school. How many students will be in each class? First step, we must add the total to find the number of students and then divide the number by 28 classes to know how many students will be in each class. So the solution about this example, here we must add them using here these properties, associative properties here, use these parentheses, right? 795 plus 521, and the result will be divided by 28, the number of classes. 1 plus 5 equals 6, 2 plus 9, 11, 1 on the carry of 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7 equals 13, divided by 28. Long division, 1316 divided by 28. 13 less than 131 divided by 28. The nearest number will be 4 because this appears digit by digit, and 13 divided by 2 equals 6, but 6 times 24 will be greater than, so you must choose the nearest number. 4 times 8 equals 32. Write 2 and carry up 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 3 equals 11. It's the nearest number. Okay, 2 subtract from 1. We can't do 8. Borrow 1 from 3, it will be 2. And here 11. 11 minus 2 equals 9. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Then drop 6. This appears digit by digit, and we know here 7 times 8 equals 65. 6 and the carry of 5. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 plus 5 equals 19. Then we will have 47 students in each class. Okay. Question number 2, using mathematical expression and complete. We have this expression of question number 2, 5x plus 2y plus 6x plus 3. Letter A, you want to find the number of terms here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Letter B, like terms here, 1, where 5x and 6x, it's like terms. Letter C, the coefficient here, it will be 5 and 2 and 6. Okay, question letter D, the absolute term. The absolute term here, it will be constant 3. It's absolute term. It's very easy to draw. First interval to 6 and second interval to 7 and so on. Okay. Next question. Here you want to find mean and the median and mode and the range. Okay. We have here the mean equal sum of all values divided the number of values, right? 22 plus 25 plus 30 plus 25 plus 23 plus 22 plus 21. The number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, to find the mean, you must add all values. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, plus 2, 18, 8 and the carry of 1, 3 plus 2, 5, plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3 equal 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2 equals 16. 16 divided by 7 equal 2, because 2 times 7 equal 14, and the remainder 2, 28 divided by 6, 7. 28 divided by 7 equal 4. Then the mean will be 24. And then you want to find, in the next step, you want to find the median. The median here, look at the point lies in the middle, but you must find all numbers ordering from left hand side, right hand side, find the smallest to greatest, find the mean, arrange all the value. Okay, write 21, 22, 22 again, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 30, the last one. Okay, and then to find the median, cancel digit by digit, digit by digit, number by number, then the median will be 23. Okay, and the mode, which the greatest or the smallest, the number here was repeating, 25 repeating 2 times and 25 repeating 2 times, the result will be 22 and 25. It's the mode. And the range equal the difference between greatest number and the smallest number. The difference between them will be 9. Okay, it's the last question.